Continuing on with our Unit 4 test review, now we're looking at problems 3 and problems 4 in your homework. Problem 3 asks you to find the unit rate of each job. Unit rates, this is similar to what we did in our classwork from Station 3 unit rates. So I'm going to go over these problems in the classwork, and then if you've practiced this, then you should be able to answer number 3 in your homework. So let's look at what we have here. Atsuri raised money by washing cars and by mowing lawns. The tables below show how many hours she worked each day and how much she earned. We see here washing cars. This is how many hours she works each day, and this is how much money that she made. It asks us, what is her unit rate for washing cars? Remember, the unit rate is the ratio for 1 unit. In this case, the 1 unit is 1 hour. So we want to figure out how much does she earn if she has 1 hour of washing a car. Well, we can look at what we have in this table. If she works 5 hours, she earns $40. So she earned $40 for 5 hours. And we want this to equal 1 hour. To get from 5 hours to 1 hour, you have to divide by 5, which means if you divide by 5 on the bottom, you also have to divide by 5 at the top. So 40 divided by 5 is 8, so $8 in 1 hour. That's our unit rate. We can double check, because 5 times 8 equals 40, that works. 3 times 8 equals 24, that checks out. 8 times 8 equals 64, that checks out too. Now we can actually fill out this bottom part too. 4 hours of work, if she earns $8 for every 1 hour, 4 times 8 equals $32. Now let's look at mowing lawns. What is her unit rate for mowing lawns? So the unit rate is how much she can earn for 1 hour of mowing lawns. Let's look at what we have. We have 4 hours worked, and she earns $24. So we'll set up our ratio, $24 for 4 hours of work. We want it to be equal to what she can earn in 1 hour. From 4 hours to 1 hour, in order to get from 4 to 1, I have to divide by 4. So then I'll divide the top by 4. 24 divided by 4 is $6. $6 for every 1 hour of mowing lawns. That's our unit rate. We can double check that. If you work for 4 hours and you earn $6 every hour, you get $24. That works. 9 times 6, 54. That works. 6 times 6 equals 36. That works too. Now, what times 6 equals $12? 2 times 6 equals $12, so she works 2 hours in order to earn $12. With this information, you can then answer number 3 and part B. For part B, all you have to do is once you find the unit rate for math tutoring, multiply that by 7 to get the amount that she would earn in 7 hours. Now let's look at number 4 in the homework. There's a group of boys and girls. There are 18 girls in the group, and 90% of the group is girls. How many total students are in the group? This is a problem about using equivalent ratios and percents. So first, I'll look at what is the problem asking me to solve. How many total students are in the group? So I'll write my answer statement first, so I know what we're solving. There are blank total students in the group. Okay, so now I know what I'm trying to find. How many total students are in the group? If there are 18 girls in the group, I know that some portion of the group is girls and out of the total number of students. That's my ratio that I'm going to use. So I have 18 girls over total number of students. I don't know how many total students there are. That's what I'm trying to solve. This ratio is equal to, if 90% of the group is girls, then 90% as a ratio is 90 over 100. Now that I have this equivalent ratio, I can look between 18 and 90. What can I multiply to 18 to get to 90? In this case, 18 times 5 gets me to 90, so I'll put times 5 down there. And then I think to myself, what number times 5 gets me to 100? And that's what goes here. And that's going to be my total number of students in the group, and that's what I will also put up there.